What it do, guys? What it do? It's Friday, and this is my breakfast lunch. I'm having noodles for breakfast at 7 o'clock. I'm hungry because I didn't get my usual this morning. So I didn't get my usual this morning. I had taken a cab home. I got a cab to work today, so I was not able to make my usual morning breakfast stop. And so, yeah. But I am now having noodles. And I haven't had noodles at the office in a very... Oopsie. This thing cut off my head. Okay. I haven't had noodles in a very long time at the office. Why? Because I had an accident once. Noodles basically went flying all over the place. And I burnt myself and it was a mess. So I had like a little bit of trauma. But we're good now. Anyway, I decided to start the vlog this week. I haven't vlogged in a while. I realized that I haven't vlogged in a while. So I was like, you know what? Let me give you guys a vlog. And this weekend is actually quite an interesting weekend. My niece turned 16. And so I had this brilliant idea to whether we should throw her a sweet 16 bash. She didn't want to do anything big, and I was like, no, I did a big thing for my sweet 16 and I wanted her to experience that. So I was very excited about it. But it has proven to be a very, very stressful thing for me. Like, one, it's been very expensive. And two, it's just been coordinating something of this nature with a lot of people is quite challenging. So I'm ready for this day to finally just be done. I'm like, why did I think it was a good idea to throw this? But I'm doing it because I want her to be happy, and she's never had a big bash, you know. So I felt like, no, 16 is you see, 16 is a big deal to me. Like, so 16, 21, and 30 are a very big deal. And then, yeah, from after 30, you can just decide what is a big deal for you. And then you turn 50, and yeah, it's just, anyway. So 16, 21 are very big for me. Actually, I think that's why, like, I didn't celebrate my 21st. I was away. I was alone. And yeah, I didn't get to have a 21st experience. And so, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna have my noodles, which seem very, you know what? I'm just gonna eat because I'm hungry, and when I'm hungry, I become really like irritable, and we don't want that. We really don't want that. Also, can we talk about how, like, I don't know how many of you are following Big Brother Niger All Stars, but can we talk about how toxic this season is? I don't think I've seen a more toxic group. But I don't know why they're so toxic, why they're so mad. Like, you would think because there are people who like now have like they've established their brands and whatever, you know, outside of the house, and they've been in the house before in their different seasons. You'd think they know how this thing works, and you'd think they would. If a lot of these people came into the house, bands banana their issues, or whatever, kana ego or something. I don't know, but every single day there is a fight. Every single day there's an argument. They say the craziest things about each other, and the twists, honana, the new twists, with people being able to discuss nominations and stuff like that, and the parrot, the parrot that randomly, shares conversations and hears conversations and it shares conversations with the housemates. I feel like it just makes everything worse. Well, they are bullying one another. They're doing whatever it takes to get each other out. You don't know who's loyal to who. You don't know who's being real with who. You don't know. What have they forgotten that they are brands already? They themselves, they are brands, and they need to take care of their brand. I am so confused. I am so confused. It is so messy. But I keep watching because, but I'm telling you, what do you guys think? Are you guys watching Big Brother Niger All Stars Kanayang? And then this thing, there's an eviction jury. I don't really like that because these are what ex-housemates. I feel like they have personal vendettas. Some of them are going to come with personal vendettas. It's not going to be fair. It's really not going to be fair. But then again, this season, I just feel like it's just not fair. Just in general, it's just not a fair season. And the twists are just weird. And Nadine Gopisat, I'm just like, but I keep watching. Like, I keep watching. I don't know why. Mehela. And the things they say about one another, the things they say to each other when they're arguing, I'm like, people are saying that Baba Mweda are not raised well. They're bringing up people's parents. I'm like, but why? Y'all are grown. Y'all are not. I think the youngest people are Ilebai and Angel, who are 22 and 23. And yeah, but even they are like I would expect crazy behavior from them. But like, okay, well, Ilebai is, but I feel like she's low-key acting her age. And I mean that Mohoreng, she still has a lot to learn. She still has a lot to learn about herself. She also has to learn how to deal the battle, because not everybody has that gift. I feel like it's a gift to be able to coexist with certain personalities, different personalities, and be able to work well, or just, you know what I mean? Like, but the drama. And if Mohonge any strategy, I'm like, what kind of strategy is this? What kind of wild strategy is this? Make yourself look like a bad person to get what? No, I don't like it. Can we go back to and as much as people say that, drama, people like drama, viewers like drama, but this kind of drama is just, it's too much. Like, it's too much. It's way too much, and it's low-key getting out of hand, and it's only been 3 weeks. Yeah, this is the 4th week that they'll be in the house, and I'm just like, it's been only 3 weeks, and there've already been so many fights. There's already people threatening to leave. There are people who already have strikes and are on the verge of being disqualified. there are yo and how about mana? I'm telling you, it's all systems go. It is all systems go. Why? Because people want to get the other out. But at what cost? You're out here acting a fool for what? It's all hard to the money thing. The love of money is the root of all evil. This is what they're talking about. Like being so greedy, loving money so much, being so obsessed with money so much that you even lose yourself. You even start to think of crazy ways to get it at any cost. I don't know. This season is wild. I feel like I'll just be eating in this whole vlog. But yeah, I was craving stam alisaswa, and lo and behold, I get home and I find stam alisaswa. So, get happy. I went to physio. I'm quite sore, but it's all good. So tomorrow is the day, and you guys are only gonna see me tomorrow. I'm so excited and so ready for this day to just be done. Mugera went to do her nails. I'll show you guys her nails when she gets back, and then we'll chat again tomorrow at the party. Yeah. Show them your nails again. They're so cute. Miss Pat, we're ready for tomorrow. Hi guys, cake collected. I'm literally disappearing behind it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to close it properly. But I'm so happy. As you guys saw, the cake is collected and it's ready and it's done. I'm so happy. My sister's happy, and I know my niece is gonna be happy. Yeah. Hi guys. So we are finally at the venue. We're at Yalama Bed and Breakfast. We have about 45 minutes until the party starts. Decor is good. I'm still finishing up. I'm watching as I eat, and I'm so hungry and I'm so stressed. But things are coming together. The girl is happy, and so that's all that matters. Bring that closer. That's better. So the theme is all black with touches of pink. I just literally got like just a makeshift outfit. I didn't even, because everything was just so stressful and I was really irritated and agitated and all of the taters. But it looks like it's coming together. It's coming together nicely. So yeah. My sister's going to get the other things and then we'll be good to go. I want to try and take a nap, maybe have a cup of coffee. Actually, no, I'm not going to take a nap. I'm not going to take a nap because I feel like that's going to make me even more tired. So, after I eat, I'm going to have some coffee. I'm going to lie down because I don't want to be in pain and whatever. I'm going to take a painkiller and then we're good to go. But yeah, the girl is happy. I know my niece is happy. Shout out to Yalama Bed and Breakfast. They are in Kokweng. Please do check them out on Facebook. I'll leave a link to their Facebook page so you guys can get connected in the Borneo and engage with them. They are our venue for the event. They are our venue for the event. They are our accommodation. And yeah, so far I've really enjoyed the experience that they've given us. They've been very helpful. And even when there was like a situation with bookings and whatever, and they went the extra mile and actually, you know, moved things around just so that we can be more comfortable, because it was just a situation that was out of our hands and their hands, and so they pretty much knew that, you know what, just do right by them. So shout out to them. I appreciate what they have done so far. I appreciate the Decor company, Blossom InStyle. I'll also leave a link to their Facebook page as well in the description box, so that you guys can hit them up and engage Lebone. And yeah, I'm happy. Oh, and shout out to Treats by Alma. She made the cake. Beautiful cake. And yeah, she's pretty much kind of like my cake lady. So yeah, shout out to all those businesses, and thank you for making my niece's day. It is done. It is done. I also did Danielle and David. So yeah. So the day is done. It's finally done. I am happy that it's done. I'm just cold now. Tomorrow is another day. Going to church tomorrow. I'll be serving tomorrow, and so I have to be ready. I just want to go take a bath and sleep, but I have to go home. And get my clothes for tomorrow and then come back and sleep. So yeah. But I just want a cup of tea. Again, I'm old. Come say hi to my vlog. Tell them how tired you are.
So guys, oh, I look pretty. Don't mind my dark circles.
Yep.
We're exhausted, but the kids had fun.
Yes, they did.
A lot of fun. Young man, where are you going? With who? You who? Who are you? Who's that?
Well, as you can see, the day ended just like that, and the following day I went to church. It was a beautiful, beautiful weekend, and I'm just so grateful. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.